So in this video, you'll learn how to use the Object Eraser tool on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. So the Object Eraser tool is simply what it means. It's a tool that you use to circle around an object and remove it from an image. So the first step when it comes to using it is to simply open the Gallery app and select the image you want to remove the item from. Once you've opened it, you want to then tap on Edit to open the photo editor. And then from here, tap on this menu icon to view the other options available for you. Select Object Eraser and then wait for it to find suggestions. If you don't want any suggestions to be highlighted, just tap on this undo button and then you can now go ahead and just circle around the object you want removed from your image. So let's circle around all of this like that. And then once it's been selected, you should see it's been grayed out a bit to show that it's been selected. So all you want to do is just tap on erase and wait for it to be erased from your image. Samsung's photo editor will fill in the details from what it thinks the image would look like if that item wasn't there. If you don't find it satisfactory enough, you can just tap on undo and they'll be restored. And then you can go ahead and just select erase shadows, and then now when you circle around it, it should be better. So just have fun customizing and just erasing all of the items that you no longer want on your image. When you're happy with the objects that you've erased, then you want to tap on done so that the changes are applied. And then from here, you can go ahead and continue editing your image. Once you finish editing, you can tap on save, or you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose to save copy. So with that, you'll have the newly edited photo without the objects there, and then next to it you'll have the original photo. And so that's how you can use the Object Eraser tool on your Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.